Hi guys, it's me once again. In this episode, I'm going to show you on how to use the Ford Everest Trend Power Liftgate. The Trend is equipped with Power Liftgate and there are 3 ways to open it. The first one is the most common, is by pressing the button just under the plate number. Press this button to close. The second one is by using the key fob. Press the button twice to open it. Press again twice to close. The third way is by pressing the button just under the steering wheel. Press once to open. And press once to close. Please take note guys that the power liftgate will only operate if the shift lever is on park position. So there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.